Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Teresa.
Ano pa? Sabihin mo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Risa. Wish ko sa iyo ay ano pa sunod?
Ano wish nyo? Love
Good health
and long life.
and long life.
Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, Nanay. So, happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Love you.
Love you.
From
Mom.
Light.
Bye-bye.
Smile.
Happy birthday, Lolay Nay.
Ayusin mo.
Happy birthday, Lolay Nay.
Ano wish? Ano wish mo?
Sana maging masaya ka.
Ikaw. Happy birthday, Lola Inay. Dali.
Happy birthday, Lolay Nay.
Harap dito. Ano wish mo?
Wala.
Ano wish mo?
Wala nga.
Happy birthday, Tita Risa. Happy birthday po, Tita Risa. Happy birthday, Ate Risa.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Risa. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Many more birthday to come. Wish ko na sana humaba pang buhay mo at stay healthy. Huwag ka magbabago sa akin. Marami pa tayong pagsasama-samahan. At salamat din ng marami. At salamat din ng marami. At ako'y laging niyo akong sinasama sa mga okasyon na importante sa inyong mga buhay. Maraming salamat. More birthday to come. Happy birthday muli.
Tapos na.
Happy birthday, Ate Risa! Happy birthday, Tita Risa!
Anong wish natin?
Ang wish ko sa'yo, mabawasan nakakiligan pag nakikita si... alam mo na! Ano sa'yo?
Wala. Magpapayot ka na.
Si Joke.
Hindi, yang laging healthy, syempre. Tapos, iwasan ng katakawan. Kasi baka mamaya ma-HB.
Oo nga.
Ano pa ba? Uso ngayon ng high blood.
Hindi porket pinsan ko yung magtatampo ka na sa akin. Ikaw yung mahal na mahal namin.
Yes.
Thank you at mabubusog mo kami ngayong araw.
Yun na lang.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
At Teresa, happy birthday. Siguradong ikaw ay napakaraming handa. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo is stay healthy, stay kind, stay humble, and more birthday to come. More blessings to come, and best of all the best for you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Ate Risa, happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Risa. Ayan, love na love ka na yung mga dinapuan. Love you.
Risa, happy 50th birthday. Wish you have a long, healthy life, happy life. And sana lagi kang masaya. Mahal ka namin. Mua.
Ate Risa, happy birthday. More birthdays and good health. More blessings to come.
Play.
Happy birthday ulit, Ate Risa. May luto na ga. Pag gutom na.
Hello, in behalf of our family, we would like to greet you a
Happy 50th birthday!
May all your wishes and dreams come true.
We wish you the most important things in life. Firstly, good health,
Peace,
happiness,
again. Happy birthday, Lisa!
Happy birthday, Ate Risa!
Risa, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Andito ako sa work right now. Sumisimple lang. And we love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.